Hi, hello. Welcome to another Language Broker English lesson. Today, I greet you with a smile because today we learn family vocabulary words. We have a lot to learn, so let's get started. Another name for family is relatives. 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 So you can call them your family or your relatives. When two adults live together and have an intimate relationship, but are not legally wed, they are partners. 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 If one of them proposes to the other to be wed, they become a fiance. 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 On their wedding day, the woman is called a bride. 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 And the man is called the groom. 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 After the wedding day, they are now married. 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 A married woman is called a wife. 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 A married man is called a husband. 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 A married man and a married woman are called spouse. 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 If a woman has a child, she is a mother. 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 If a man has a child, he is a father. 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 Children often call their mother mommy. 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 Children usually also call their father daddy. 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 Another way to say mommy is to just call her mom. 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 Another way to say daddy is just to call him dad. 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 Mothers and fathers are called parents. Parents. So you could have one singular parent, one parent, one mother, one parent, one father, one parent. Or you can have a mother and a father, and they are your parents. 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 If you have a baby girl, She is your daughter. 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 If you have a baby boy, he is your son. 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 If your mother or father has another child and it's a girl, she is your sister. 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 If your mother or father has another child and the child is a boy, he is your brother. 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 Another way to refer to brother and sister is to call them siblings. 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 If you have one other brother, he is your sibling. If you have two brothers, they are your siblings. So one sibling, two or more siblings. Good job. You remember your singular and plural nouns. Very good. I am so proud of you. You are learning fast. If your mother or father has a sister, she is your aunt. 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 You can also call her your auntie. 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 If your mother or father has a brother, he is your uncle. 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 If your sister has a daughter, she is your niece. 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 If your sister or brother has a boy, he is your nephew. 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 Your aunt and uncle's children are your cousins. 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 Let's practice singular and plural nouns again. You can have one cousin or two or more cousins. Yay! Very good. If you're still not sure how to change singular nouns to plural, go back and watch the lesson on nouns. Okay, for now, let's move on. Your mother or father's mother is your grandmother. 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 Your mother or father's father is your grandfather. 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 Your grandmother and grandfather are also called your grandparents. Grandparents. Your grandmother, singular, is a grandparent. Your grandfather, singular, is your grandparent. grandparent. Your grandmother and father together are plural grandparents. If your daughter or son has a baby girl, she is your granddaughter. Granddaughter, granddaughter. If your daughter or son has a child and the child is a boy, he is your grandson. Grandson, grandson. A granddaughter or grandson can also be called a grandchild. Grandchild, meaning one granddaughter or one grandson, singular. Do you remember how to say child in the plural form? How do you say two or more? Not child. Children. That's right. So a granddaughter plus a grandson are grandchildren. Grandchildren. Two or more grandchildren, one grandchild. Very good. The plurals can be a little tricky, but you're doing a great job. If you are married, your spouse's mother is your mother-in-law. 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 If you are married, your spouse's father is your father-in-law. 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 If you are married, your spouse's sister is your sister-in-law. 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 If you are married, your spouse's brother is your brother-in-law. 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 Together, your spouse's mother, father, sister, brother, all of your spouse's family are called your in-laws. 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 Okay, I think we'll stop right there because that was a lot to learn. You may need to go back and watch the video again so that you can learn the words and practice, practice, practice. Remember, practice makes you better. Thank you for watching. Please click like, click subscribe, and go to the next lesson. I hope to see you soon. Bye and have a great day.